Welcome to Animedia's African Tales Tutorial 1. This tutorial is divided into 4 sections. In Section 1, we will learn where and how to create your story. ChatGPT is one of 3 AI apps you need to download to your phone, since this is going to be a phone tutorial for those who do not wish to use laptops. So first, head over to your Play Store and download the following apps. 1. ChatGPT. 2. Microsoft Designer. You may be asked to create an account, so go ahead. 3. Canva. When you are done downloading all 3, open ChatGPT. Type in your prompt, that is, your command to ChatGPT. Write a short story set in an African village about a prince and a princess who were forbidden to marry each other. ChatGPT will quickly type it out for you. This is going to be the voiceover for your story. So copy the entire story, and be sure to copy only the story, not including any ChatGPT messages. But if you want to save your chat history so you can go back there anytime and copy what you've done before, then you have to log in, or sign up. In which case, you won't need to copy and paste your story into your Note app. Now head over to Google and search for TTS. Scroll to the 4th one. Right there. Click on it. You can add it to your home screen by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner, and it will give you several options. Click on Add to Home Screen. You can then choose to install it, or simply follow the prompts to add to home screen. Do not install unless you have the Chrome browser installed on your phone. I have already installed it on my phone, so the option to add to home screen is no longer visible for me. When you first open TTS Free, you will find so many voices of different nationalities to use as voiceovers for your story narration. Nigerian, Kenyan, US, Great Britain, South Africa, and so much more. My favorite is Great Britain or GB, and my favorite voiceover is Sonia. You can now go back to your ChatGPT if you have installed it. Look on the left side of the app for chat history, then copy only the first paragraph. TTS can only handle 500 characters per conversion. Or go back to your Note app and copy the first paragraph, then paste it in the Enter Text panel of TTS. A quiet corner in the Nigerian village near the healer's hut, and the voiceover I used was GB, Sonia. So, after pasting paragraph 1 in the Enter Text column, scroll down to convert. Be careful not to touch or move either of these voice controllers, as they will distort your voiceover. Scroll till you find Convert. Click on it and let it finish processing. Then scroll slowly back up till you see Convert. Click the Download button. You may wish to rename the voiceover because of the other paragraphs you will convert to speech. It will help later in organizing your voice files. In this first part of our tutorial, we have combined 2 sections together for easier understanding. 1. Where and how to create your story, and 2. Where and how to generate voices to narrate your story. In this tutorial, you downloaded ChatGPT, Microsoft Designer, Canva, and TTS Free. In the final part of this tutorial, you will learn where and how to create consistent images, and where and how to upload your images and voiceovers.